Hello everyone. This is team leader Vikas Gaur from SIL VW Group 2, collaborating with Pranali Shinde and Bipin Singh, who have contributed to various aspects of this group project. The primary objective of our project is to scrape data from the Kids.com website, analyze it using SQL queries, and drive meaningful insights through exploratory data analysis (EDA). We aim to store the data in a structured format, allowing us to apply and enhance our skills in data extractions, analysis, and database management, ultimately deepening our understanding for the site. Now, my teammates will elaborate one the next part. Bipin, so start you with the data scraping part.
Okay. Thank you, Vikas. So, hello, good evening, everyone. Today, I will presenting my project on web scraping, where I extract codes, author, and tag from the website codes to scrape. So, first of all, what is web scraping? So, web scraping is a technique used to extract information from website automatically. It's useful for gathering large amount of data very quickly. So now I'm discuss about the tool. Some tools are used for the web scraping. So first tool is a request, and second tool is a beautiful soup, and third is a pandas. Pandas using for the convert the data into CSV file. Okay, so now you've seen here the import the request. So request is the what you want the request. So request is the HTTP file. This is the getting the HTTP code from the link from the text format. After that, beautiful soup doing it the all the HTML code just like a network code, it converts into a text file and it's saved into a particular file like a soup. So now I start from the base URL. This is the URL codes dot something, and after that code list. I will extract the three things: codes, tag list, and author list. So that's why I will take a empty list. First is a code list, second is a tag list, third is a author list. After that, I also import a pandas. So pandas, the rule for the importing pandas, import pandas as a PD. Why I'm using page number one? Because I want to extract all the author codes and tag from the all the pages, not for only first page. That's why I will using the page number one and using a while true. If the all the pages are extracting, then my code is a break. Otherwise, a repeat code is repeat. So finally, I've saved the URL. URL is the file. After that, base URL and page number one. Why I'm written that? Because this is the base URL is the my link. After that, doing the page number one, like while true is getting the increasing page one, two, three, four, and extracting all the authors tags and codes from the page wise, page one, page two, page three. After that, soup. Using soup, beautiful soup, response.txt and HTML parser. Already I will talking about the HTML parser and beautiful soup to extract HTML code into a text format. That's why I will. That's why I use the this code. Then codes equal soup.find all div class and codes. So in codes soup find all, that means all the codes are given in a div class. That's why I will use, and that's why I use the div, and class is a codes because I extract the codes. So next I if not codes then break. Otherwise this file have a not any codes, then the my code is a break. Other than the four codes in a codes. After that codes, then I use the author dot soup codes dot find and a small dot a small comma class equal author. Why I'm using a small? Because all the author are given in a small class. That's why using the small function, a small, and text dot strip using for the improving the white space. Next, the tag equal to code dot find all e class e and class tag. In all the tag are given in a e class, and class name is a tag. That's why are you using the tag name? Because tag is more than one. That's why you're using the tag name. All the tags are stored in a tag name. After that, I am using the loop and find the tag. That is the process. And lastly, I use the page number 1 plus 1. Why? Because increase the page 1 to page 2, page 3, and page 4. Next, I using the Panda. Already I said that using pandas for the converting the file into a CSV file. That's why using the panda for. So pd.data frame author and author list already given in a first and course is a course list, tag is a tag list, and then use the day function to CSV course and index also including UTF-8. That is the course. So that's it my side. Over to Vikas. He will explain. He is explaining the SQL part and what is the insight for the SQL.
Okay, thank you, Bipin. So friends, I will be presenting the SQL integration aspects of our project. Web scraping codes data. Our goal was to efficiently store, manage, and analyze the extracted data codes using SQL. So friends, why SQL? So SQL was chosen because it provides structured storage, efficient querying, and scalability. By using a relational database, we could filter queries based on author, themes, and sentiment, enabling deeper insights. So friends, we database schema, we designed a relational database with the following tables: codes, authors, tags. And we integrate we import py-mysql. It's a library to provide a facility to connect with the python with the sql. And we apply the con py-mysql dot connect. It's basically connect is a keyword to connect send request to the sql to connect with the python. It's a host ID, user root, and it's my password, and it's a database. So first I dot CSV data first save into my database. After that I import from the SQL with the using py-mysql dot connect. And it's in the whole code I put into try and accept case is if any condition it gives me error, so I prevent this situation and apply the some insights like find the number of quotes by each author. The first query a variable query it's equals to I apply the simple queries like select author count as quotes count to count the author from group by author order by quote count descending order. After that cursor dot execute it's execute simple function to follow to apply in the my variable query. It's give me the output, and the result equals to cursor dot fetch all the information stored and apply the some conditions in my database. It's retrieve the all of details, and after that I apply the function. Its function uh, give me a very simple view like row in quotes. It's provide me a author with rows equally. And after that, I apply the second insight query to find the top five most common texts. Apply this simple query with the other another variable query, and apply the very same simple query dot execute query, execute the query, and cursor dot fetch all result from the executed query. Top five most common text. It's a like simple print to ensure that the data is your printed from the text. So it's all about my site from SQL. So Pranali, let's start with your unit 3. analysis and visualization.
Hello, I'm Pranali Sinde. I'll be explaining the EDA part, which stands for Exploratory Data Analysis. It is nothing but an operation for better understanding of data sets, and it helps to analyze and visualize the data, which makes it simpler and easy to understand. So the first, we have imported the Pandas library PD. So Pandas is a library, a powerful library in Python, which is used for manipulating and analyzing the data. And in this second thing, DF stands for data frame. So it says data frame is equal to pandas.read the CSV file and the name of the CSV file. Df.head stands for giving as output the first five columns of the data set. And the first question is how many null values in the data set? So missing values is the variable declared. Is null helps to find if there is any missing value, and dot sum is used to calculate the sum of the values. Thus, and print is used to give the missing numbers, total number of missing values. The second thing is total number of quotes. Total quotes again is declared as a variable here. DF data frame code dot count. It means it counts the number of quotes, and print displays the total number of quotes. The third one is total number of unique tags. So here, uh, drop.na is used to drop.na is used if there is any missing value that should be dropped off and should not be considered. The str.split having the comma in between is used to split the string in the column into a list of tags based on the commas. Dot explode converts the list into individual rows. Str.strip again is used for removing any leading or trailing spaces from the tag names. And unique is used to count the number of unique tags. So unique tag means the tags which are not repeated, and the print function again displays what we want to print, that is a total number of unique tags. The fifth one is average length of tags. So average quote length is again the variable here. Str.length. This is used to calculate the length of the string, and dot mean is used to calculate the mean of the string. And again, print is used here to give us average quote length and the output character, which is in the mean value. Mean is also known as average value. The sixth one is display descriptive statistics. So descriptive statistics means giving the information about the data set. That could be the number of counts, the number of unique values, and the frequency of the top codes. And now from here on, we would be understanding the visualization of the data. So here we have imported libraries Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Word Cloud, and RE. So Matplotlib and Seaborn are used for making the data in the form of graphs, charts, pie charts, a line chart, which makes it very easy to understand and find the trends. Word cloud is used to find the maximum number of times the word has occurred, the quote has occurred, and RE stands for regex. So, in the first one, that says displaying bar chart for the top 10 quoted authors. So, top authors is again the variable here. We are taking the data from author, counting the values, and dot head 10. That says the top 10 values of the data set. So, plot figure and fixed size 12 by 6. So this gives the dimension of the figure that should the diagram should occur in, that is 12 by 6. SNS stands for Seaborn, which says SNS.barplot, in which it is said that the x-axis should have the top values, top authors, and y-axis should have the indexes of the top authors. And palette is used to describe the color, and virdis here is used for giving the multiple color that is in to WebGyor, the rainbow colors. So x-axis should have the name as number of quotes, y label having the name author, and the title for the bar chart is top 10 most quoted authors. And plt.show is used to display the output. So here we have a very colorful bar chart which is shown in the horizontal manner, which makes it easier to understand. So the second is word cloud, which says most common words in the codes. So all text again here is used as variable. Dot join df quote. This says joining the df data frame quote and using the regex to give the particular font and text. Dot lower is used to consider the text that is in the lower case. Word cloud is used again for taking the topmost or most occurred words or quotes, describing the background color and the palette, height, and width of the diagram. Uh, Again, the figure size that is required is given. Uh, the axis and title are named here, and plt.show is for displaying the output. And the third one is pie chart, that is proportion of top 5 tags. So here we are having the pie chart which displays the proportion that is in percentage of the top 5 tags that are used. So all tags is the variable and top tags too. Uh, the drop n is used for dropping the missing values, and str.split is used to split the each string in the column into a list of tags based on commas. Dot explode is used to convert the list into individual rows. Uh, and the given query is used for displaying the pie chart into the colorful manner. And the octo-PCT, that is into percentile 1.1 F percentile percentile. So this is the color code that is given for describing the colors in the coding manner. So here we end, and I would like Vikas to continue. The purpose and insights of data analysis and visualization is to here we got that identifying which authors have the most quotes in the data set. Um, the second is useful for content analysis, literary studies, or recommendation systems, helping in understanding the most influential or frequently cited authors. This helps to understand the trends, patterns, and also helps to predict the future.
So thank you, Pranali, and thank you, Vipin. And thank you, friends, for
Thank you.
this lecture is showing the so politely and patiently. Thank you. Bye bye.